Have you ever wondered what happens inside your body when you skip sleep? It starts here, in the quiet, restless hours of the night. Your brain and skeletal system are in constant communication. But after hours of wakefulness, these vital neural signals begin to falter and weaken. As adenosine builds up, a chemical fog settles over your neural pathways, making the electrical firing within your skull and spine increasingly sluggish. Your reaction time plummets. Signals that should travel at lightning speed now crawl, making even simple movements of your limbs feel heavy and delayed. Coordination fails as the spine and pelvis lose their rhythmic synchrony. Your motor control and physical judgment are now significantly impaired under this biological stress. Cortisol floods the system. Your skeletal structure becomes rigid and tense, while your internal immune response slows to a crawl. Only deep rest can reset the balance. As you sleep, your neural rhythms stabilize, repairing the day's damage and restoring your physiological health.